Adding power to India's solar revolution. The story of Avghni Solar. A startup in India to a leading player in the solar industry as a hidden gem. In India's path to sustainability, hear the story of how Avghni Solar is adding value to India's green future. Establishment founded in 2013 with a limited seed capital of 10 lakh rupees. Avghni Solar has grown into a powerhouse in the solar energy sector. As an ISO certified company, we excel in engineering, procurement and commissioning services for solar projects. Avghni Solar started as a small startup with big dreams. Over the years, our commitment to quality and innovation has driven our transformation into a leading player in the solar energy industry. Our journey from a humble beginning to a dynamic solar energy provider is a testament to our dedication and expertise. Projects. In just over a decade, we have executed landmark projects like the 19-kilometer smart fencing for DRDO, the largest smart fence in India, our 715 kilowatt power residential solar project for Giridhari Executive Park in Hyderabad is the largest of its kind in the country. We also completed a massive 7 megawatt project for TGV Group in Kurnool, showcasing our capability to handle large-scale installations. We have expanded our services to educational institutions like BVRIT, ACE College and CMR, and partnered with residential developers like Alekia Homes and Janapriya Arcadia. Our industrial collaborations include projects with Natation Group, Radhakrishna Cold Storage, Ideal Group and Sirisilla Textile Park, showcasing our versatility. Expertise. Our team of experts brings over 30 years of experience in the solar industry, delivering cutting-edge solutions for residential to large-scale industrial installations. From the rugged terrains of Dehradun to the deserts of Rajasthan and heights of Mount Abu to the heartlands of Nagpur and Lonavala, we have powered critical bark satellite stations, laying the foundations for uninterrupted energy supply for the nation's scientific ventures. Operations and maintenance is another area of strategic growth. We are proud to have secured an O&M contract for 1 megawatt SPV system from Airports Authority of India through BEL, adding to our existing portfolio of O&M services for our solar projects. In-house module mounting structure fabrication plant. Our commitment to quality and efficiency is evident in our in-house fabrication plant, which produces customized mounting structures for every project. This state-of-the-art facility supports our ambitious projects and caters to other EPC players in the market, positioning us as a reliable and versatile partner in the solar industry. Our current production capacity stands at 3,000 metric tons per annum, with an ambitious expansion plan to reach 6,000 metric tons in the coming years. We are well equipped to meet the growing demand for high-quality mounting solutions. Our strong channel partner network is an important element of our growth strategy. Through strategic partnerships, we aim to expand our reach and market penetration, bringing the benefits of solar energy to a wider audience and creating a larger impact on the sustainability and accessibility of renewable energy. Avghni Solar is not just another solar company. It is a commitment to a brighter, sustainable future. We are excited to continue our journey of innovation and excellence, lightening up the path towards a green tomorrow.